Hello and welcome to all of students. Today we'll start with our subject mobile communication and system. In this first module, fundamentals of mobile communication system, lecture number 1, part 1, we are going to the concept which is related to the mobile radio telephony and examples of the wireless communication system. Before going to this lecture, what is the requirement of the concept of mobile radio telephony and term what is meant by radio. So let us start with the concept mobile radio telephony. It is the introduction of the history evolution of your mobile telecommunication system. In 1897, the Marconi first demonstrated the ability to communicate with the people on moon has evolved remarkably since to provide a continuous contact with the ship sailing to the English Channel. This is a new era or new wireless communication method and services has been first throughout the world. In this topic, mobile radio telephony, we are going to the major evolution in mobile telecommunication system. So, mobile radio telephony, the term is related to the actually how the personal communication system and your cellular radio system are connected to each other. The first cellular system or mobile radio system, major mobile radio system, which developed in 1934 to in 1991. So let us begin. In 1934, the police radio used the conventional AM communication system, which is launched in US. This is the first communication system which is launched in US. 194 municipal police radio system and 58 state mobile station system adopted amplitude modulation technique in mobile communication system for the public safety in US. Then 1935, the Edwin Armstrong, which is a demonstrate the FM modulation. Then in 1946, the first public mobile telephone service, that is coined and named as push to talk, was launched. Then in 1960, improved mobile telephone service IMTS, that is a long form for improved mobile telephone system, that is work on full duplex system, means simultaneously receive and transmit the data. In 1960, also A.T. Bell Laboratories introduced the concept of cellular mobile telephone system. That is the biggest advantage in new era or new introduction in mobile communication system, that is cellular mobile system. In 1968, A.T. Bell proposed a new concept, cellular mobile system, on the basis of FCC, Frequency Commission Council. In 1976, the Bell mobile system was dropped due to the call blocking error. In 1983, the advanced mobile telephone system, that is depending upon the multiplexing technology FDM, frequency division multiple access, which is used the modulation technique FM. Now then we go to the in 1991, which is the most introduced and popular around the world, that is GSM. GSM, it is a mobile communication system technology which is launched by European PAN countries in 1991. The multiplexing technology used for that is time division multiple access, and modulation technique Gaussian minimum shift key. In 1991, US Digital Cellular also launched, that is currently named as Interim Standard 54, use a multivision technology, that is time division multiple access, and the modulation technique which will be used, that is differential quadrature phase shift key. In 1993, also use the technology IS-95, that is stand for Interim Standard CDMA, code division and multiple access, and use the modulation technique quadrature phase shift key and binary phase shift key. So in these techniques, I will study the history of an mobile communication system. What is the importance of to study the mobile communication system? A brief history of evolution of mobile communication system throughout the world is useful in order to appreciate the impact of cellular radio system and mobile personal communication system over several next decades. It is also useful to newcomer cellular radio field to understand the tremendous impact that government regulatory agencies and services competitors in the evolution new wireless communication system. The services and technologies, it is not intended to take the deal on technopolitical aspect, cellular radio system and personal communication. The technopolitics are the fundamental driver of evolution. A new technology, services and scenario of radio usages to control government agencies, not very easy to services. So in this lecture, we have introduced the mobile radio telephony concept only. So we can stop here. Thank you. In next topic, in next lecture part 2.1, we decide the examples of wireless communication system. So we can stop here. Thank you.